Did you know that for YouTube to start suggesting your videos is what you can actually do? For a video to start appearing in suggested videos is what you can actually control, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 important settings you need to fix right now for videos to start getting recommended by YouTube. Most small channels usually think that maybe YouTube actually hate their channel, or they are doing something wrong that is making YouTube not to suggest their videos or not to recommend their videos. But in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 important settings that will actually make your video to start going viral, and this will actually start helping you to get more views and more watch hours and also subscribers. Also, you just need to pay very close attention to this video, and immediately after watching this video, all you just need to do is to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard right now and fix these 3 important settings which I'm about to share with you right now. But before we get started, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to help me to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that you will always receive more updates like this from me anytime I post it. Okay, let's go on right now. All you just need to do is to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard right now. When you come to your YouTube Studio dashboard, the first important settings you need to fix right now is known as playlist. When you come to your video list, click on one of your videos right now. When you click on one of your videos right now, let me show you how you'll be able to create a playlist if you have not been creating a playlist, and the best option you'll be able to do it. But this third option will actually change the story of your channel. Okay, all we just need to do is to come to this particular section right now. When you come to this particular section, you are going to see playlist. You can see this is playlist right now. Click on it. When you click on it, you can see that I already have 2 playlists right here. If you do not have a playlist, click on new playlist. When you click on new playlist, click on new playlist right now. When you click on new playlist, enter your title of your playlist, enter the description of your playlist. Most importantly, make it public. You can see visibility, make it public. After making it public, scroll down to this particular section right now and click on create. When you create it, it will take you to this particular section right now. Anytime that you want to post based on the type of category you want to place your video, go on right now and select any of these playlists. You can see you can select one or you can select 2 categories. You can see playlist is just like a category that will help you to categorize your video based on the way you want YouTube to start recommending it to people. Okay, you can see this one right now. I categorize it under monetization, and this particular one is tips to get more views on YouTube. That is what I named this particular one. Name your playlist based on the type of category you want YouTube to actually place it, and this will actually help you to start getting more recommendation from YouTube, and YouTube will start suggesting your videos. YouTube recommendation and YouTube suggestion is actually 2 different things. YouTube suggestion is when YouTube is actually testing your videos to actually get the right audience for that particular video. But once YouTube actually discover the right audience for that video, YouTube will start recommending that video, and that video will start appearing in search, appearing in browse features, and many other options. Okay, let's go to the second option that will help your video to start going viral. All we just need to do is come to this section right now. When you come to this particular section in that video that you want to post, you can do this in your old videos or any video that you want to post right now. Okay, come to this section right now and click on this end screen. You can see the end screen right here. Click on it. When you click on the end screen right now, you just need to allow it to load. You can see, let me allow it to load. Okay, immediately after loading, this end screen will actually help you to start getting more views. And as you are getting more views, the more people are watching your videos, the more watch hours you will be accumulating, and the more those that value your video will be subscribing to your videos. Okay, let's go on right now. All we just need to do right now is, you can see this one is 1 video 1 subscribers. 1 video 1 subscribers. What they mean by 1 video 1 subscriber is 1 video will appear in that particular video, and 1 subscriber will actually appear. For instance, at the end of each of your videos, you want people to actually watch another video which you can point on or subscribe to your channel. That is why this particular one will actually appear 1 video and 1 subscriber. And if you come to this section right now, you'll be able to see 2 videos. Only 2 videos will appear right immediately they finish watching that particular video. Like immediately we finish watching this video right now, you are going to see that YouTube is going to show you 2 more videos or 1 video and 1 subscriber, depending on the one which I actually choose. And you can see this particular one right there. This particular one will actually show you 2 videos and 1 subscribe button right here. You can see it right there. Okay, let's actually go on right now and choose this one and choose this particular one right now. Once I choose this particular one, you can see that this particular one will show one video and 1 subscriber. You can see it right there. If people click on this particular image right there, they will subscribe to this particular channel. But if people click on this video, they will watch another of my video on this channel right here. All I just need to do is to go on right now. After selecting it, I will place it to where I want it to appear. I want it to appear in this particular section right now. Since I want it to appear in this particular section right now, I will go on right now and click on save. Once I actually save that, it will be appear in that particular video anytime that any user is watching that video. Okay, and this will actually boost my view and boost my recommendation by YouTube. Okay, the next important setting you need to fix right now for YouTube to start, for the video to start going viral, is known as card. This particular card right here is very important for anyone that want to blow on YouTube. All you don't need to do is to click on this section right now. Once you click on this particular section right now, pay very close attention. All we just need to do is to come to this particular section. When you come to this particular section right now, you will see different options right there, which is video, playlist, channel, and link. Most of you usually make mistake and just choose anything that you like, but checking this particular checking all this and understanding what it actually means and how it actually works will actually help you to actually get more views, more watch hours, and more subscribers on your channel. And this will actually make YouTube to start pushing more your videos and start suggesting it to a whole lot of people. Okay, all we just need to do is to come to this section right now. When we come to this section, in this particular link section, this link section will actually help those that are into affiliate marketing to actually recommend different external link to their users. You can actually copy the link, click on this section right now, copy the one, you would have copied your affiliate link. Once you copy the affiliate link, once you just place it in this link section. When you place it in this link section, you can actually fix where you want it to appear. You can see, and when you reach that particular section, you can tell people to click on this link to actually either to join your Facebook group, or to join your class, or to buy the product that you are recommending in that particular video. The next thing is, if you click on this channel right here, this one will actually help people to subscribe to your channel. And if you click on this playlist right now, if you want to recommend playlist to the user watching that video, like if you are watching the video right now and I want to recommend a playlist to you, I'll just tell you to click on this I will just choose this playlist right now. I will recommend my playlist to you, which is a collection of video in the same category. But if I should recommend a video, this particular one is for me to recommend a video. I'll click on video right now. When I click on video right now, this will actually help me to choose any of the video which I want to recommend to you, okay, through my card. Okay, I will choose this first one right now. When I choose this particular first one right now, you can see you can put caption, the message that I want you to appear. You can see caption, which is optional, and teaser text is also optional. Okay, all we just need to do is to go on right now to this particular section right now. You can see this is how this video will appear. You can see the video will appear like a link. You can see, which you can actually point and tell people to click on this link to actually watch the video. You can see this is how it is going to appear. You can see the link on top of me right now. You can see that is how it's going to appear. The next thing I need to do is to go on right now, select the way I want it to appear. If I want it to appear right here, I will make it to appear right. If I want it to appear right here, anywhere that I want to make it to appear, that is where it is going to appear. After that, I will go on right now and click on save. Once I click on save, that have been saved automatically, and this will actually help YouTube to start recommending my video to a whole lot of people. And this particular one, this quiz section right now, I have not been using it because it is actually a new feature on YouTube currently. The next thing you need to do is for YouTube to start recommending your video is to come to this particular section right now. Click on this settings section right now. When you click on this settings section right now, it will take you to this particular page section right now. All we don't need to do is click on this upload default. When you click on it, it will take you to this particular section right now. Kindly change this visibility to private. Change this visibility, change it to private. This will actually help. Anytime that you are uploading a new video, it will go straight to private. And if there is any issue, let's say copyright claim, or the video violate their terms, or the video is a video that violate their, mostly those that are into faceless channel, you should make sure that your video is always in private. All those that are doing all this education and news or something like that, you are using other post content and joining it together, make sure that, or you are using other post music in your video, or even if it so far as you are not the owner of that particular video and you are using it, make sure that you choose public. This will actually help. If there is any copyright claim or if there is any issue with that video, YouTube will notify you once it is in private, and it will not affect your monetization, it will not affect your channel. You can see any issue that you have will not affect your channel. You just need to go on and remove that particular video and work on it before you re-upload it. That is the importance of choosing this particular channel right here. And the next important setting you need to go on right now and do for you to start recommending your video to your target audience is to go on right now and write a default description. Write description that align with the type of content you usually create. If you usually create video about finance or crypto, make sure that your description align with crypto. In case even if you record a video without any description, that this default description will automatically appear in that particular video, and that will actually help YouTube to start recommending your videos to people that are interested in financial niche or in YouTube growth niche. Okay, another thing you need to actually go on right now and do is to enter tags right here. You are going to enter tags right here. Enter tags based on the type of content you usually create. This will actually make YouTube algorithm to automatically understand the type of content you usually create, even if you have a small channel, and that will actually help you to actually start getting massive views even as a small channel and start getting more watch hours. That is why you usually see some small channels within 30 days they will be getting massive traffic, they will be getting more views, they will be getting more watch hours, and you'll be questioning yourself, how do they do it? It is the type of setting they actually do in their dashboard that is helping them to get those views and more watch hours. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section of this video, and if you find value in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up right now and also subscribe to the channel. I'm Coach Usolo and I'm signing out for now. Bye.